Hey guys, I want to take a second and talk about the electronics that I'm running for the 2021 KBF season on my Hobie Pro Angler 14. So this year I'll be sticking with the Lowrance Elite TI with the total scan transducer. I'm also running the Navionics Plus charts, and this unit is being powered by one 10 amp hour Nocqua lithium ion battery. As you can see this morning, let me get back to the main menu here. So this morning when I got out in the water, I had a fully charged battery. It was reading about 12.4 volts, and that was at 9 o'clock this morning. It's currently almost 3 p.m. My unit's been running the entire time, and I still have 11.1 volts. And I am also using this Lowrance system with the Point-One GPS antenna, and it is running off of the same exact battery. So if you guys are looking for a lithium battery that will power your electronics for your kayak all day long and not to have to worry about it with a quick charge and low memory life, you cannot beat the Nocqua batteries. So that's just a little bit about the electronics that I'm running this year on my Hobie Pro Angler 14.